Data is flooding in to the field of athletics, but coaches don't just want to take an AI's number at face value. They want to apply their own expertise and make an informed decision about how they apply that to their practice.
So the real goal of AI-powered athletics is to bridge our AI knowledge in the Herbert Wertheim College of Engineering with the expertise of Gator Athletics. We have world-class AI and world-class athletics, and we're trying to bring those together.
We're creating a data bank of student-athlete data, force assessments, strength assessments, wellness checks that can include nutrition and hydration, and then that will lead to a database that will enable AI research on a large scale.
Currently, all of that data is siloed. Now, if we put it all in one location, then we can ask questions across sensors in a more robust way. We can start doing analytics across all of those data types.
One of the things in athletic performance and athletics in general is it's a really huge team where you have a lot of moving parts. And time is of essence, time is important. And so if we can kind of make things more efficient with the time, that's where the automation of AI can really help and enhance.
So a human coach would look at things like hydration levels and heart rate and the cumulative load for the week, but where the human brain runs into a limitation is each of those metrics has an entire backstory. And by modeling each of those backstories, which is something AI is great at, and then bringing those together to arrive at this moment and an insight into this moment, that's a little bit beyond what even the most expert human coaches can sort of do off the top of their head.
Where we're hoping to go in the future is that AI will empower preventative decision making. So, for example, a strength coach could make a decision based on an AI model that predicts how an athlete is fatiguing in advance.
I definitely look at the data every day, and I'm essentially deciphering how much we've done during the day based on what it's telling me and giving recommendations and guidelines to our coaching staff. And so I think artificial intelligence could be helpful in the future in terms of telling me, where we are in the week regarding certain loads or volumes or intensities and giving me a little bit more guideline to make better decisions to give them.
We have sat in many meetings with different athletic teams and gathering information about what they would actually use.
We don't want to just pose questions, the answers that are, insignificant. We want to pose and answer questions that are really needed. Getting that insight and getting that information and talk to the coaches is really important.
Our collaboration is good because I can give them feedback on what I'm seeing, the data that we're using, whether it's working or not working, whether it's valuable information that we need, and then they can, again, collaborate with me to figure out how we can tweak and better meet our needs.
I give the athletes a lot of credit because this project wouldn't exist without the student athletes and their trust in research.
The ability for research groups to partner with athletic associations within an institution is really rare. So that's a hallmark of this project, and it's something that UF is really being a leader in.
I think in the future we'll have institutions, teams, and athletic departments that guess and some that know. And I think with the AI-powered athletics project that we're currently doing, we are going to be in the know.